Hi everyone, this is Coach Green Jean out here in the garage getting ready for a new season of 3H Intro into Pre-Apprenticeship Workshop. So we're getting everything organized, getting ready for a new set of activities for young people ages 12 to 17. So please stay tuned. If you guys know that we're excited and purposeful about seeing our young people not only educated intellectually, but also having the skills to work with their hands and being able to be useful for themselves, being useful to their families, and being useful in community. Remember, we build together.